Hey foodies, today we're making a classic that belongs in every baker's back pocket. Coffee cake with a rich cinnamon streusel. Now, this isn't just any coffee cake. This is soft, tender, perfectly sweet, and completely gluten-free using Frankie's gluten-free all-purpose flour. We're layering in a buttery cinnamon crumble right through the middle and piling even more on top because, let's be honest, that's the best part. It bakes up golden aromatic and absolutely irresistible. Whether you're serving this for brunch, dessert, or just with your morning coffee, this is one of those recipes that disappears fast. So you might want to make two. Let's get baking. And we're going to start by making the streusel. And that's with brown sugar, our gluten-free all-purpose flour, and some cinnamon. And let's mix that up. And I'm just making sure that it's mixed pretty well. There's going to be some clumps, and that's fine. Now I want to add my cold butter. I just want to mix this in, cut it in. I might even just switch to my fingers. Just mix it in really nicely. I'm squishing some of the butter pieces. That's looking good. Okay, I'm going to set that aside. Now we're going to move on to the cake batter. Oh, that's the butter. We're going to start by adding our Frankie gluten-free all-purpose flour, our sugar, our baking powder, soda, and salt, and our 2 eggs. And we're also going to add our butter. And this is softened butter. There we go. I'm just going to give this a really light mix. And let's add the rest, which is our yogurt. If you want to use sour cream, you can use sour cream and make it a bit more tangy. Go for it. Okay, and we're going to mix this up. And that's the cake batter done. So let's scrape off the paddle. Oh, this is nice and light and airy. I'm going to scrape the sides. Just make sure I've got everything mixed in really nicely. Now I've got a lined 8x8 tin here. You can also just grease the tin, and that works too. And I'm going to take about half of this. I'm going to get it into the pan. That looks nice. Okay, so let's go back to the streusel, I should say. And I'm just going to mix up one more time with my fingers. And we're going to take about half of this we go. Looks good. Maybe a bit more. An extra piece of butter there, I think. There. And we're going to pour the rest of this. Get rid of that. There we go. And I'll spread this out. That looks nice. And then we put the rest of this on top. So this is going to go into my preheated oven of 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 175 degrees Celsius for about 35 to 40 minutes or until it's golden brown. This looks really good. This took 40 minutes in my oven. Your oven might vary slightly because every oven is different. But look at this. I mean, it looks wonderful. The topping has melted in there really nicely. It's a little soft in spots, crusty in the others. It's still warm because you're supposed to serve this warm. I want to have a slice. I was going to lift it out, but I think I'm just going to cut into it. Oh, that looks nice. Let's see. Now, first slice is always the hardest one to get out. Oh, look at that. Oh, wow, it smells so good. I love the crumble in the middle. That looks great. Let's just dig in. Oh. Mmm. 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 Really nice texture. Really nice texture, yes. Mmm. Really nice texture. It's light, it's fluffy. The nice crunch at the top. There's pops of sweetness every so often. It's really good. If you're looking for the recipe, you can visit GlutenFreeGuy.ca. Thanks for watching.